Good morning from Tallinn. Today the wind has finally subsided. The sun is out. It's not as warm. It's like 14-15 degrees, but it's better without the wind. This place has got some interesting architecture in the buildings. And also they've got like a lot of sculptures around. This is Rotermann Quarter, located just a few minutes away from the Old Town. It's a place for shopping and dining, and also admiring amazing architecture. Balti Jaama or Baltic Station Market is a really nice looking market, just a few meters away from the train station. If you like independent food stalls, fresh produce and antique things, this place is for you. Just be careful of the pigeons. The pigeons are chasing that lady, I don't know why. So I'm now walking away from the old town and exploring the cool side of town. Kalamaja, which means fish house in Estonian, is the hipster area of Tallinn. It's best known for its colorful wooden houses, bohemian charm, and industrial heritage. So I've walked maybe 20 minutes away from the old town towards the sea. Here I am, it's in the harbor. And this area here, this development looks so Instagrammable. After walking around Port Noblessner area, I found a small and pretty place with a quirky machine, and I stayed there the rest of the afternoon. So this is a serve your own type of wine. So what you need is this. You get this from the owner and then you put it here and then it changes. Look. And then now you get your wine, you get your glass there, and then you pick what wine you like. So Primitivo is what I wanted, so it's that one there.
This one?
Then yeah, Brest 75?
75?
Yeah. And then it just pours like magic.
It's working.
Wonderful. Good morning from Tallinn. Today is my last day in Tallinn. However, there's one thing in Tallinn that I still haven't done, and that is to visit the Baltic Sea. So which is why today, you can see there, I'm going in one of the beaches. It's called Pirita Beach. It's somewhere up north of the city, and it's about like an hour away. So yeah, I'm doing a massive walk. Tallinn has this really nice promenade where you can walk and follow all the way down to the beach, and that's what I'm doing now. It's also a very hot day. It started like 16 degrees, but you know, if you're walking for a while, it feels hot, which is why I've taken off my jumper. I've never seen swans on the beach before, but here they are. Enjoying the sunshine. This is a really nice promenade. There's a lot of interesting things you can do here. Well, for me, I tried getting on a scooter. It's not for me, but that's one thing you can do here. It's a safe place to do it if you haven't done it before. You can also go on a swing, which I've done, and you can also watch the seagulls. Or not seagulls, the swans even. You can see the swans sunbathing. Just in front of me is a World War II memorial. Oh, this walk is really nice. It's nice smelling the breeze from the Baltic Sea. Here's a preview of what the hotel back in the Soviet time looks like. It's funny because just a few meters away from that hotel is this really amazing looking house. Welcome to Pirita Beach. Oh, it's so cold. Ah! Oh, it's so cold. It started to get cold in the beach, so I decided to go for a little walk on the forest. So I'm now in the forest. Sounds so quiet. I'm sure it's safe here. So this is the map of the whole area. It's noting the interesting spots which you can see along the way. It also shows you different routes with varying degrees of distances. So I think I'm gonna just follow maybe this one for start, and let's see how I feel. Oh, I actually like this. Proper pine forest. Smells really nice as well. It's so quiet in here. Listen. Just the birds chirping. Out of the forest and into this really nice meadow. Also, I didn't realize earlier that there are people sunbathing. They're dotted around, you can't see them quickly, but they're there. This is a chapel built by a merchant family called Koch back in 1874. So this is where I'll end this video. I will see you in the next one. Kita kits, or as you say here in Estonia, nagimest!